Wayne Thiebaud's masterpiece Refrigerator Pies, viewers are invited into a nostalgic realm where the mundane is transformed into a vibrant celebration of everyday life. The canvas, expertly rendered with meticulous brushstrokes, captures the essence of mid-century America with an almost palpable sense of charm. Thiebaud's composition is a symphony of color and form, showcasing an array of delectable pies neatly arranged within the confines of a refrigerator. While rooted in the everyday, West Coast artist Wayne Thiebaud's compositions spring from his imagination and have a poetic, sometimes melancholic, quality about them. Trained as a commercial artist and uninterested in the histrionics surrounding abstract expressionism, Thiebaud concentrated his attention on ordinary objects, thus garnering comparisons to pop art of the 1960s, yet Thiebaud brushed away such comparisons, saying he was just an old-fashioned painter. Wayne Thiebaud, born November 15, 1920, Arizona, died December 25, 2021, California, American painter and printmaker who was perhaps best known for his thickly painted American still lifes of such items as foods and cosmetics. He is often incorrectly associated with American pop art because of his many images of banal objects.